What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. At a new Airbnb. Once again, you know I'm always switching it up. You can check it out on my IG, JAXX_IGC. I put it in my story. Probably only going to be up for a few more hours anyways. Nobody cares. We're going to go over Gala games. We're sitting at 0.048. Up about 8% on the day. Sitting market cap 1.46 billion. 24 hour volume 131 million. Ladies and gentlemen, I do give signals. Mostly I'm trading Forex right now. They are free. The Forex ones you'll be able to check out just by joining the Discord. But if you do want that Kings and Queens notification as well as access to my daily crypto analysis, my crypto trades, then you can get free access at the end of the video. So we have a nice channel and a 5-wave move. We may have already topped out. And then we start to come down in a wave 2 pullback. If we can hold that pullback, we already broke the B wave high. That's our first bullish signal. So now we hold the pullback. It would be in between 0.04884 and about 0.04397 for the wave 2. If we can hold that, that would be a good place to take a long trade and then ride it up. See continuation back to the upside. Holy shit, wind. And basically hold the bullish cross as we've been predicting on the channel. And say see you later. And continue back to the upside. That's what I think is the probable scenario. So if we do pull back from here, the target zone to watch is in between the 50% at about 0.04397, 78.6, 0.04088. We start to get a reaction out of that zone. That'd be a beautiful time to take a nice long entry and ride it up for the continuation. If we let me zoom out a bit on this chart so you guys can see it a little bit better. So we're looking at leading diagonal. Load. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3. All of this was a 4. And now you're looking to push up in a 5-wave move to complete that wave 5 of that leading diagonal. All right, gang. That's what I'm looking at. For our friend Gala Games, if you want completely free access to my signals, just sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including North America. If you don't want to go that route, just sign up to the Patreon. It's $10 a month for the Signal group. Otherwise, you can have free access after you make your first deposit. Send me an email. And you get completely free access to my daily crypto analysis. Honestly, I haven't been taking many crypto trades over the last week, but I have been trading Forex every single day. And I do have a nice exchange that you can sign up to so you can trade Forex all completely for free. Join the free Discord down below. You'll be able to see the Forex signals. And then if you want the notifications as well as access to everything else, just sign up to BTCC or you can sign up through the Patreon. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.